Assalamu alaikum class 3. Today we are studying the same chapter, operating system. Today we will discuss topic number 2, operating system. We have discussed in the previous video that operating system falls in the software category. Basically, operating system is a software. Here I am displaying the definition from the book. The definition says that operating system is a software that helps the computer to interact with the user. We can say that operating system basically is a software that helps us to interact to the whole computer system. Means that if we do not have installed Windows, as I have told you in the previous video that Windows is the operating system for PC and the laptop. If your computer system doesn't have or installed Windows on it, you cannot communicate to your computer properly, or you are unable to operate it. So the second definition, according to the normal wording or our common wording, is will be like this: operating system is a software that help us to operate and interact with the complete computer system. Here the word complete computer system means the computer is not about the monitor screen. Computer has 4 parts combined: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These 4 things combined together make a complete computer system. In normal wordings, this definition will be like this: operating system is a software that helps us to operate and interact with the complete computer system. These both definitions are correct, so you have the choice to learn any one of them. Okay. Computer works in. Our subtopic of the second topic is there are 3 steps of computer working, or we can say that computer works in 3 steps. Step number 1, input. Step number 2, processing. Step number 3, output. And what we have to discuss in it? Our operating system. We have to focus on the operating system software, that this software helps throughout these 3 steps of computer work. That means your operating system is helping us or the computer in doing these 3 steps or 3 processes. Okay. If for example here I am showing you about the first step, input. What we do, what is input? Data is entered into the computer. As we all know that data is entered into the computer by input devices. What kind of input devices we have? We have, for typing purpose, we have keyboard. For clicking and selecting options on the screen, we have mouse. And for recording sound, for sound input, we have mic. Okay. So how could the operating system help us? Yes, operating system also helping us throughout the input process. If you can see that at the corners at the right hand side, I have shown you the complete computer system with the 4 devices and Windows operating system installed on it. If the Windows operating system is not installed on your computer, these devices are useless for you, because the computer will become a dumb machine and do not behave for you. Okay. If for example, look at here, if the Windows operating system installed on your PC, when you type on your computer, it will show you on your document. If you click, it will also show onto the screen. That means who is showing onto the screen? They are showing because of the operating system. The Windows operating system enables these hardwares for you to communicate the computer. Understand the input process, how operating system is helping in the input process of the computer. Okay, cleared everyone? Okay, come to the next process, that is called processing. Okay, in the 4 parts of computer, which part of computer helps in processing? Yes, CPU cabinet. CPU cabinet helps in processing. So what is a processing method? What is actually processing is, data is processed into the computer. For example, you have given 2 plus 2 as a question. You have typed through the keyboard 2 plus 2 for the calculation in the calculator inside the computer. So where it will go? the operating system will send it to the control unit and arithmetic logical unit installed inside into the CPU cabinet. All the calculations are solved by arithmetical logical unit, and after taking the result, the control unit inside the CPU cabinet will send it to the output devices, like the result will be shown onto the screen. The result will taken by the control unit to show on the screen. Okay, and who is controlling all this? The operating system tells them, or operating the whole consequence or the working of the CPU cabinet. For example, from input stage now onto the processing stage. Okay, operating system software helps the computer in processing data and sending it to the output devices. Okay, we can say that this operating system is very important for the PC. For example, Windows, I have given you the examples of Windows, any kind of version of Windows. It is either it is inputting data or processing data. Now come to the last step, that is called the output data. This operating system also helps us in outputting the data through the computer system to the user. Okay, let's look at the definition of output. Data is taken out from the computer, that is called the output. And which devices are helping you to take the output or show the output? We have monitor. The result is shown as the soft copy onto the monitor screen, and we have printer to show the result as the hard copy output onto the paper. For sound output, we have speakers, and our operating system software helps us, or helps the user in taking out data as output. Okay, clear everyone? So let's recap our topic. Today we have discussed the two definitions of operating system. What is an operating system? Operating system is a software that helps the user to interact with the whole computer system. Okay. Secondly, we have discussed steps of computer working. What are the steps of computer work, or we can say that what are the steps of computer working? We have 3 steps of computer working. Computer works in 3 steps. Number 1, input, processing, and output. And which software simultaneously helping us in all 3 stages? Yes, operating system. For computers, we use Windows operating system, and for different devices or smartphones, we use Android. Okay, let's time for the homework. I'm giving you question 1 to write in your copy. Define operating system. I have given you 2 definitions. It's up to you and up to your choice. You have to write only one. Which one is easy for you to understand? Okay. Second question, in your copy you have to write, what are the 3 working steps of computer? We have discussed previously what are the 3 working steps of computer. There are only 3 steps of working computer. There are 3 working steps. Number 1, input. Number 2, output. And number 1, input. Number 2, processing. Number 3, and output. Okay, this is all for today. I hope you will learn everything that I have taught you, and there will be no confusion. If you have any confusion, then let me know in my personal number. Okay, thank you.